This is where I grew up.
Not half bad, if I do say so myself.
Vaughn, to our side.
Huh? Who's that?
Now I know he is no acquaintance of yours.
Greetings, wayfarers. I would like to pose a question, though you may not know the answer.
You're on Spiritus's side, right? He called you here.
You mean dragged me here. Now how do I leave this place?
The only thing we were told was to collect a bunch of energy.
Energy, you say? How curious. That very matter has been on my mind lately. To think our belligerency begets life force.
Fun!
Does that not captivate you as well?
I cannot deny that it does.
Then let us indulge each other.
You're fighting?
There is little else we can do at present.
Rejoice, for you will not die in vain.